there is there is what do you call it, every kaya king club meeting, king king casino, ating gathering, induction, yes, induction. I am thinking, why these guys, old guys, what are these? There are people, are they rich? Something like that, you know. Maybe I was studying high school department as a working student. Maybe someday I will join. I'm just
That's
thinking about it.
what on your mind.
Then, so studying. Later on, there is after Pinatubo, no more American. My expertise is dengue, about
Being
mosquito.
the bug
Yes,
is
about
bust.
mosquito. Okay. So Ricky Lacson asked me, pare, why don't you join us?
The late Ricky Lacson.
Yeah,
Parang Ricky.
yeah.
The late
So,
Ricky Lacson.
The womanizer.
So, so this is my turn. Okay, I joined. First, I did this as a Rotarian. All public school, especially in Dau and maybe some, not all. I took Pairs Rotary Club to
Downtown?
to eradicate the dengue.
Mm-mm.
So what I did.
Alay pa yung dengue concern, parang
Yeah.
gagawa na ni parang
So
Mario.
I have a
So you
chemicals.
took the,
I have a
initiative.
chemicals. I have a pagger. I have a worker. So I did couple.
That's my part.
First thing,
Oh,
dissemination,
good cut.
sanitation dissemination. We'll check if they need packing, something like that. So that's what I did, because my concern is about the kids. They don't know nothing about dengue.
Yeah.
At the time, yeah.
Even the old one,
They're innocent.
even the old bad Filipino, they gonna die. That's okay, but not the baby, not the not the young guys.
Yeah.
So that's the part I did before. They don't know about dengue before, but I learned to
Okay,
the
man.
American. So I joined, right? Second, I joined the Rotary.
Excuse
My-
me, is
my-
this,
my-
are you
my
telling
pa-
a telenovela or?
No, I'm just not
Go ahead.
telenovela.
Go ahead.
It's just about
She's pulling
Why
her.
Why you join?
I joined the Rotary.
Yeah.
I have a ticket.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
I have pants full of. I am not rich, you know. Who's this guy?
Mamanyatang mo rin French
Sira
truck.
pantalon eh.
Parang French truck, mamanyatang lang.
Sira ko pantalon eh. So I dress like ordinary.
I hope you're not wearing your combat shoes then,
So I
from
thought.
the Desert Storm.
So who's this guy? Where did you get this guy? No lang pinurot, something like that.
Walk.
Imok Candelario.
Parang mo.
Where did you pick up
Yeah.
this guy?
Where did you pick up this guy?
Ida na mo.
Mga kapantalon ko siya ay butas eh.
Oo, ba?
Smearing rags.
Yeah. And then, laban tayo pa ng Reiki. Ako pa ang
Okay.
maggaya. Sinali kong taga-nagatas.
Oo.
E pa, inong remagara ng kanudo.
Pare, kasing konta ka ng paring Mario, Wyatt Philippines.
No, not before. Duty free. No, I bought it myself. I bought milk by myself. So,
You bought bags of milks, man.
so that's it. I want to help, especially the kids, but not the old.
The old cunts.
shit.
Not the old shit and
So that's
old
my.
cunts.
Tell them the story about when you were in Clark. You know, you were with your CO, commanding officer, asking you, telling you to do some fumigation, pare,
Yeah.
in a certain place. But then
You're right.
your car
You're
went
right.
into. Tell them that the story, pare.
It's like this. We are doing fogging of base, of Clark. Okay, we have destination. My destination is Villa Teresa. the old,
Villa Teresa.
the rich guy.
Yeah,
the rich
one of
guys.
the rich
But-
subdivision in Angeles.
My companion American, I told him, oh, forget that. Those are rich ones.
Yeah.
I have to go to the Islam area
Yeah.
instead of
The rich subdivision.
You know.
Yeah.
to. May talabukan tayo, may babaray sa kanya eh.
Yeah.
So one thing I like there, the guys there, I'm not supposed to be doing this,
What's your name?
doing
Harry?
this packing. They help me, itang kisakan, may baraya, sino pang tao.
They were helping him to get
Car-
the car out of the
truck
ditch.
out of the
Yeah.
ditch.
That's of my job. So, I joined the Rotary to help, not, that's why there are some guys, they don't like me, especially RC Daw. To me, they're okay, but I am not, that's okay to me now. As long, but one thing, they are not supposed to the donation from, instead of going to the poor people.
Oh, pare. Excuse me. Before he continues that, okay? Because that's a good story, right? By the way, Paring Mario, you're our you are director for special projects, okay?
Yeah, I know.
You have been announced, okay,
Yeah.
in our induction for special projects. So make your shit clear, pull yourself together, stand up, man, and we miss you.
Start working, you.